Seapa basket clips are designed for a wide variety of farming conditions, from calm, protected waters to high energy areas where wind and wave is common. Most robust and durable of these is our Stormbreaker clip. This clip features a flexible stem to absorb energy, robust clip head that locks into place, and a purpose-made bearing to ensure the clip and basket remains where you want it on the line at all times. The bearing is designed to bite onto the line to eliminate migration and is manufactured in an engineering grade material developed for constant movement. The clip head is made from the same durable material, which means wear is also minimised, making this the most effective clip in our range. The Stormbreaker clip can be used across the full Seapa basket range and works best on Seapa cable without a sleeve. It has also been used on French style tables with fantastic results proven by award-winning farmers. If you're farming in rough conditions and want complete security for your oysters, then the Stormbreaker clip is the right choice for complete peace of mind.